Hi, we're Daria and Alex. In just 3 weeks, we brought our idea to life and built our very first van. Our goals were clear: keep it budget-friendly, lightweight, functional, and cozy. The process turned out to be quite a challenge. We're based in Baja, California Sur, where the selection of building materials is really limited, so we had to get creative more than once. This project became more than just a van build. It's our journey, our personal experience. We're not offering a how-to guide, but simply sharing what we've learned along the way. In this episode, we'll show you how we planned the layout and did the installation.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
setup is getting ready. Alex made a great and incredible work with the shelf where is going to be our clothes. Here is going to be the mattress, so it's like this high here. Our legs won't touch the shelf, and we're going to use these boxes and they fit here perfectly. Table is done. Here probably we're going to make decorative tabletop. So also the kitchen, the thing that we will call kitchen, is going to be the spices shelf. Here some spaces for things. Here is going to be our water storage. As well here our plan is to make a beautiful tabletop. Here is the fridge. We already have a fridge, so it's built perfectly for the fridge. I think tomorrow it's already we can start paint. Well, I can start paint because Alex is making all the construction thing. I'm pretty useless in that. I'm going to start painting. Of course, it's going to be the white color. White color will give the sense that space is bigger than it is. Here, our plan is to put like these boxes. Because we found out the shelves that we were making, well, Alex was making for the spices, very complicated to do, to cut everything. So as we want to start move as early as possible, we want to use the boxes and just to make it as simple as it could be. And in future, we will make some adjustment. I don't know. We'll see. Like our goal is to start moving, and this is important. I forgot to show, like here is going to be our dive tank storage, which is super important. And we were thinking like where to put the dive tanks to have an easy access because they're pretty heavy. Turn out the size of the fridge, it's exactly as 2 dive tanks. It's perfect, like some Tetris Lego situation here. I'm very excited to see the result. Let's go. Subscribe to our channel to keep following our van build journey. In the next episode, we'll talk more about the engine, electrical system, painting, and take the van on its first real off-road test.